Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Does this sound familiar? You sit down at your desk, ready to tackle that big project, and 5 minutes later, you're scrolling through your phone, checking emails, or just staring out the window. It feels like our ability to focus has completely disappeared, right? Well, you're not imagining it, and you're definitely not alone. It's a huge problem for so many of us. But the good news is, it's fixable. Today, we're going to dive deep into why you can't focus anymore and, more importantly, what you can actually do about it. So, what's really going on in our brains? Let's talk about the attention economy. Every app, every notification, every breaking news alert, they're all designed by very smart people to grab a piece of your attention. They do this by triggering a dopamine rush. Dopamine is that feel-good chemical in your brain. When you get a like on your photo or see a funny video, you get a little hit. The problem is, our brains start to crave these quick, easy hits. Compared to that, the slow, steady progress of deep work feels, well, boring. Your brain is essentially being rewired for distraction. It's not a personal failing. It's a biological response to our modern environment. Think of it like this. Our brains are constantly scanning for what's new, what's exciting, what's potentially rewarding. This was a great survival skill back in the day. But now, it's being hijacked. Every ping from your phone is like a digital lion in the bushes, and your brain just can't help but look. This constant task switching is exhausting. It fragments our attention and makes it nearly impossible to enter that state of deep focus, or flow, where we do our best, most creative work. Plus, let's not forget about stress and information overload. We're bombarded with more information in a single day than our ancestors saw in a lifetime. No wonder we feel so scattered. All right, enough with the doom and gloom. Let's get to the good stuff. How do we fight back and reclaim our focus? The first step is to create an environment that supports concentration. This means turning your workspace into a fortress of focus. My number one rule: your phone goes into another room. Not on silent, not face down on the desk, out of sight, out of mind. The physical distance creates a powerful psychological barrier. Next, manage your digital notifications. Go into your settings and turn off all non-essential alerts. Do you really need to know instantly when someone likes your post from 3 days ago? Probably not. Schedule specific times to check emails and social media, rather than letting them interrupt you all day long. Now, let's talk about training your brain. Focus is a muscle, and just like any other muscle, it needs to be exercised. The Pomodoro technique is a fantastic way to start. You work in focused 25-minute intervals, followed by a short 5-minute break. During that 25 minutes, you do nothing else but the task at hand. It sounds simple, but it's incredibly effective at building your attention. And another powerful tool is mindfulness and meditation. Even just 5 to 10 minutes of daily meditation can significantly improve your ability to notice when your mind has wandered and gently bring it back. It's like doing push-ups for your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for focus and decision. Finally, we have to talk about our physical health, because our mind and body are deeply connected. Are you getting enough sleep? Lack of sleep is a focus killer. It impairs cognitive function, memory, and your ability to regulate emotions. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. What about your diet? Foods high in sugar and processed carbs can cause energy crashes that make it hard to concentrate. Opt for brain-friendly foods like fatty fish, blueberries, nuts, and leafy greens. And don't forget to move your body. Regular exercise isn't just good for your physical health. It boosts blood flow to the brain, reduces stress, and releases chemicals that improve mood and concentration. Even a quick walk during your break can make a huge difference. So, to recap, the world is designed to distract you, but you have the power to take back control. Start by creating a distraction-free environment, especially by putting your phone away. Train your focus muscle with techniques like Pomodoro and mindfulness. And finally, prioritize your physical well-being through sleep, nutrition, and exercise. It won't happen overnight, but by implementing these strategies consistently, you can rebuild your ability to concentrate, hit more adon, and feel less stressed. You've got this. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. For more tips on living a more focused and productive life, I'll see you in the next one.